Hello everyone, myself Advocate Gautam Harshwal, working at LEXIS and Company law firm as a junior associate. So today in this video, I am going to discuss with you, basically the legal topic which is based on the hate speech. On this, recently Supreme Court of India has giving its remarks. So what the Supreme Court has said there today, I am going to discuss with you in this video. So let's start our discussion without any further delay. The Supreme Court of India has said that there were great orators like Nehru and Vajpayee. Now we have fringe elements making hate speeches. Why the Supreme Court of India has said that? Let's start our discussion and find out. The Supreme Court of India basically eliminated the fall in standards of political disclosure in the country, saying great orators like Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and Atal Bihari, former Prime Minister of India, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, are long gone, and hate speeches by fringe elements have instead come to occupy their space. A bench of Justice K.M. Joseph and B.V. Nagaratna said the country is now witnessing hate speeches from all camps, and it has led to vicious cycle of action and reaction. Where are we heading? Justice Nagarathan said that where we are heading. There were orators like Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru and Atal Bihari Vajpayee. The midnight speech, and people from rural areas used to come to listen them. Now fringe elements from all sides making these statements. So basically he did not point out any particular person or party. He said that public at large, or the leaders at large, it doesn't matter from which party they belong, they are making hate speech in the society, and they should follow or former prime minister or great leaders like Nehru and Vajpayee. Right? Intolerance comes from lack of knowledge and education. She added, Justice Joseph also came down upon statements made by fringe elements towards minority communities. Also, he said that they are saying things which are denigrating and most important thing is dignity, which is demolished on a regular basis by statements like "Go to Pakistan." They chose this country. They are like your brothers and sisters. Remember our school oath, right? We are from old generation. This cannot be allowed to go to this level, that level. Justice Joseph added in his statement. He also said that we will never go to that level as long as my client is a majority in this country. Right? The Council for the Hindu Samaj responded in this case. The observation were made by the bench, which responding to arguments to Hindu Samaj Council, who claimed right to hold religious procession. The Hindu Samaj moved the court seeking intervention in the batch of pleas, seeking that the steps to be taken against the hate speech incidents. The court was specifically dealing with the plea regarding hate speeches being made in Maharashtra by Hindu right-wing leaders. Advocate Vishnu Jain, appearing for the intervener Hindu Samaj, said that they have a right to hold religious processions. If you don't know who is Advocate Vishnu Jain, he is a great advocate and a senior advocate, Supreme Court of India. Basically, he is the advocate who has filed a case, who is basically the petitioner in the case of Gyanvapi case, which is a very controversial case. If you want me to discuss something related to that case, let me know in the comment section. I will try my best to discuss related to that case. So let's start, or let's continue our discussion. So he said that right to hold procession is fine, but Justice Nagarathan said that right to hold procession is fine, but what you do in the procession is different. What happens to the minorities and their rights, which was envisaged by the founding fathers. We were all handed down a legacy. What is tolerance? Tolerance is not putting up with somebody, but accepting the differences. Justice Joseph in this said that my client believes in that. Advocate Jain responded. Right. So that's all about our discussion. I hope you understood what the Supreme Court of India had said. That if you have any confusion, or if you have anything to regarding this statement given by the Supreme Court of India in this case, let me know in the comment section. Till then, bye bye. Take care.